Hi everyone, welcome to my allotment. Today I am finally repotting my chili plants. They are screaming out for it, and I've already done the pepper plants and they are loving it since they go into these new pots. They've even got fruit on this padron pepper, which I'm really excited about. So I hope you can take some inspiration from this and get those jobs done that you just have been putting off forever on your garden or in your allotment. And yeah, let's get into it. Right, that's me done. I'm now surrounded in pepper and chili plants. So I keep one of each of the ones I'm growing inside the house on a sunny windowsill. So I do this, but A, because I thought they weren't growing very much in the greenhouse, so I thought, oh, I'll give it a go inside. And B, I was a bit short on space. So it turns out that they really like the constant warmth inside the house. Surprise, surprise. So the nights in the greenhouse are a bit too cold, a bit too chilly for the chilies, and it kind of stunts their growth a bit. So just to see as a comparison, this is a Hungarian hot wax. This one has been in the greenhouse, so not much, a little bit of difference in the growth, but this one has got a fruit already here. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. Whilst this one is only just coming to flower. Yeah, and it's the same throughout. However, one thing to bear in mind with growing things inside, I find, is that you tend to get more little pests and stuff. I guess there's no predators per se, so if you have the window open, the pests easily come in. So this one's covered in whitefly. This is a padron pepper. I haven't sprayed it or anything like that. I'll just see how it gets on. I mean, I have another one in the greenhouse, really, but it's already flowering quite a lot, so I'll get the one from inside the greenhouse so we can compare. Yeah, so it's fairly obvious with these two, and just size-wise, this one is still only on only one of the branches taken off, but this one has got 3 from where I topped it earlier in the season. So yeah, I don't know why these two are just still really small. Only one of them has grown up. Yeah, but yeah, it's covered in little flies and little aphids, so pros and cons. But yeah, I hope this was helpful for you. Now I've just got to find space for them all. Wish me luck.